Okay, real talk. I have so many things that I want to do that if I listed them all at once, you'd think I was trying to unlock every achievement in a video game of life. I do love gaming a lot. I want to make AI generated videos and photos. I want to film stuff. I want to write short stories. I want to act. But the only acting gig that I got right now is pretending like I'm not exhausted when somebody asks how I'm doing. Oh, and dancing. I mean, there was a time that I couldn't go a day without dancing. I used to love pretending and wishing that I lived in a musical. Now, if I break into a dance move, I look basic as heck. It's painful. Photography, it used to be my thing. I could take a picture of a doorknob and it'd be like, whoa, so deep. Now I go outside with my camera and all I see is trees. Not magical, mysterious trees, enchanted forests, no. Just trees, regular trees. I gotta get back that spark that I had before I start taking photos of my shadows and be like, yeah, that's art, I guess. And then there's content creation. I used to put a lot of stuff out there. I used to do like, just be weird and crazy. But sometimes I just felt like the things I made were just like meh. I guess I gotta shake that off and just start creating again. Whether it's good or bad, of course. Or maybe just do the weird thing again. I still love making music. I'm still cooking up tracks for sync placements and for artists. But I also want to learn Chinese because I mean, I live in a place where people actually speak Chinese. And right now I'm here saying like just a couple of words here and there, pointing at things like a tourist. So yeah, there's that. I gotta fix that. I don't exactly know what I'm supposed to do. Know what I'm supposed to focus on yet. Maybe I don't need to know. Maybe I just need to do all of it little by little until the one thing clicks. And you know, when you just push buttons on the remote and it's not working and then it's finally, bam, volume control starts working. Maybe that's what I need. And if you're feeling a little stuck, maybe I just need to go start somewhere, anywhere. So I'm waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect idea. And if I keep doing that, I'm gonna be waiting forever and nothing's gonna happen. So I'm gonna create, gonna move, gonna hit record even when my ideas are trash. And you're probably gonna see a lot of trash coming out from me. But at the end of the day, I believe God made us to create. So I'm gonna do it. Some weird stuff. Yeah, it's gonna be fun either way. Yeah, I don't know where I was really going with this, but I'm doing that thing where I'm turning on the camera and I'm making content, talking about stuff. I'm not good at this yet, but we'll see how I improve. Yeah, especially when I'm doing like this talking head thing. Yeah, my brain's just not full of the good ideas. I don't feel like I'm that guy that has the cool thing to say, you know? I used to be the guy where I'd go to a party and I'd be so magnetic and just interact with everybody and have the cool thing to say. Or I could just be there and not say anything at all for like all day, and then just like I say just one thing and it's like, oh, the cool guy, he said the cool thing, you know? I don't feel like that guy anymore, so I gotta find him again. Or figure out who I'm supposed to be now, because I've lost something, and hopefully it's not lost for long. I guess that's all I have to say. Yeah, hope you watch another video. Check out my page, you know, see what else I've got. Maybe there's something interesting.